Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Beluga lentils are fantastic. Tiny, black, and they hold their shape wonderfully, making them ideal for salads and elegant dishes. They boast a rich, earthy flavor, often compared to caviar, which is actually how they got their unique name. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and essential minerals, offering a healthy boost to any meal. They're a delicious and surprisingly simple addition to your kitchen repertoire. Prepping beluga lentils is incredibly straightforward. First, always give them a thorough rinse under cold water in a fine mesh sieve to remove any dust or tiny debris. Next, take a moment to spread them out on a light surface and pick through them carefully, just to check for any small stones or unusual pieces. The best part: unlike many other dried legumes, these amazing lentils do not require any pre-soaking, saving you precious time in the kitchen. Achieving perfectly cooked beluga lentils on the stovetop is simple. Start by combining 1 cup of rinsed lentils with 3 cups of cold water or vegetable broth in a medium saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let them simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Maintaining a consistent, low simmer is key here, ensuring your lentils cook evenly and stay beautifully intact without turning mushy. You'll know your beluga lentils are perfectly cooked when they feel tender to the bite, yet still retain a pleasant, slight firmness. After about 20 minutes, taste a few. They shouldn't be crunchy in the center, nor should they be mushy. It's crucial to remember to add salt only after they are fully cooked. Salting too early can toughen the lentil skins, preventing them from softening properly, so season them at the very end for the best texture. Beluga lentils are incredibly versatile and bring elegance to so many dishes. They are perfect for creating vibrant, protein-packed salads, adding richness to hearty soups, or simply serving as a sophisticated side. Try tossing them with fresh herbs, a light vinaigrette, and some roasted vegetables for an effortlessly delicious and healthy meal. They also make a fantastic base for homemade veggie burgers, or a wonderful, protein-rich addition to any grain bowl. Enjoy your culinary adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.